Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show how I make all my spare parts for all the custom figures that I make. This way I can make as many body parts, leg parts or heads as I need. So the first thing I need to do is to work out which parts I want to make copies of. So I've started laying them all out in sections, all the feet together, bodies together and the heads together. Then I'm gluing them down to a base just so they won't move. This glue is low tack, so I'll be able to take these pieces off easily afterwards. So I'm spacing them out evenly so there's enough gap between each one for plenty of the mould. Then once it's full of the parts, I'm just complete the surround with the Lego pieces. So this makes the framework to pour in the silicone rubber. The rubber is made up of 2 parts and the ratio of this mix is 10:1. So that's why I'm using the scales, just to get it nice and accurate. The hardener in this case is red, so it's just a case of mixing it fully so it all turns one consistent colour. Then I can just pour it into the framework I've made. Then I give it a little tap. This just releases any air bubbles so they can come to the top. And then with this little tool I can just pop them. Then it's just a case of leaving it for 6 hours so it cures. Now it's hardened, I can just take off the surrounding Lego bricks. And then ease out the mould. And then the fiddly bit of just prizing out all the parts. Now I have the mould, I can make lots of parts myself by using a 2-part liquid plastic. Again, this is measured out on a scale just for accuracy, and this is mixed as a ratio of 1:1. Then it's just a case of pouring it into the mould. And once it's hardened, I can just pull out all the pieces. On the whole, they come out pretty good. There are the odd one or two that have got a few bits missing, but that's okay because I can use Milliput to fix any little errors. And there you go, that's how I make all my spare parts. This way I can keep continuing to make lots and lots of custom figures, as well as using these in dioramas as well. Hope you like the video, guys. Give it a thumbs up. If you're new here and you like what I do, don't forget to subscribe. And let me know in the comments, guys, what you'd like to see me make next. Whether it's more custom figures or dioramas. Click either one of these two videos to see more of what I do. That's it, guys. Bye for now.